ना
up to the last
टमाटो वाले चिप्स 10 रुपीस के
question
वो
of
ले आना एक पैकेट
chapter
ठीक है बाय
chapter water. Some of the questions were left, so look here. एक बार ये very short question एक बार आप देख लेते हैं. There is scarcity of water in the world. Only 0.014% water is usable. 0.014% water is usable. Next one, trees increase the water table. Rainwater is absolutely pure, but by the time it reaches the earth, it dissolves the minerals and salts. It dissolves the minerals and salts. It dissolves the minerals and salts. Sea water is not fit for drinking as it contains large number of the dissolved salt. As it contains a number of dissolved salt. Next one, groundwater is saline. Yes, saline, true. Water accounts 60% of blood plasma, 60 90% of the blood plasma. Water can exist in more than one state. Yes, it can exist in more than one state. Solid, liquid and gas. Temperature at which water changes into liquid. This temperature, liquid form changes to solid form of ice. So this is known as freezing point. This is known as freezing point. At the freezing point, water freeze, liquid state convert into solid state. Freezing point. Temperature at which water changes to water vapor. This is known as boiling point. This is known as boiling point, and boiling point temperature about 100 degrees Celsius. Next one, method to collect the rainwater in home. In home, rainwater harvesting.
Water harvesting.
This is the rainwater harvesting. Now, last question. Water in spring and wells, groundwater.
Underground water.
Underground water, groundwater. So this is the ground. Okay, Achut. आज तो नौशीन बानो भी क्लास में आ रही है, अच्छी बात है. Nausheen, beta, you should regular in classroom. Now.
Yes, sir.
अक्षरा गंगड़ भी है ना, इसके अटेंडेंस में डाली अक्षरा गंगड़ से. एक बार चेक करूं कौन कौन है. Now look, This is our new chapter, that is the forest. And forest are the places. फॉरेस्ट हम कहेंगे कि हमने यहाँ पर सामने गार्डन में पेड़ पौधे लगा दिए बहुत सारे. We planted a number of the trees, small plants, large plants, whatever it is. These are the this is forest? No. This is garden. This is not forest. This is the garden. A place where plants grow on their own. A place where plants grow on their own. Such kind of the places are known as forests. हमारा कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट वहां पर नहीं होता. There is no involvement of the human beings in the growing of the plants, in the planting, in the watering, whatever it is. There is no involvement of human. Such kind of places are known as forest. Look in your book. Large areas covered with trees and undergrowth are called as forest. Mark it underline. Large areas covered with trees and undergrowth are called as forest, and forests grow on their own without intervention of the human beings. They are covered about 30% of the total land area of the world and valuable natural resources. Many kind of the trees, many kind of the wood we obtain from the many kind of products we obtain from the forest. Bamboo from the forest. There are a number of the tendu leaves. When I was visited in the Bhubaneswar, Odisha, तो वहां से मैं आसपास संबलपुर और दूसरी जो छोटे प्लेसेस थे वहां पर मैं घूमता रहता था. लेक जैसे अभी चिल्का लेक, वहां पर जो भी आसपास के रीजन थे, भुवनेश्वर मैंने काफी एंजॉय किया. काफी आसपास जो भी जब भी मुझे छुट्टी मिलती, जैसे ऑफिस की छुट्टी होती तो मैं आसपास कहीं चला जाता. बहुत सारे जैसे संडे को प्लानिंग कर लिया कि हाँ यार आज संडे है, आज निकलना है, तो क्या करता, सवेरे जल्दी नहा धो के तैयार, सवेरे 6 बजे 5:30 बजे 5 साढ़े 5 बजे वहां से बैग लिया, बैग लेके निकल जाता टू विजिट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ दी प्लेसेस. आसपास का जो एरिया था वहां पर हीराकुंड डैम, लार्जेस्ट डैम हीराकुंड इन संबलपुर के पास में ओडिशा में. संबलपुर अबाउट 120 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम दी भुवनेश्वर इटसेल्फ. इसी टाइप से जगन्नाथपुरी तो हम लोग आते रहते थे. जगन्नाथपुरी तो कोई बड़ा इशू नहीं था. कोणार्क सन टेम्पल इज अवे 100 किलोमीटर 80 to 90 किलोमीटर अबाउट पुरी, एंड पुरी से 25 किलोमीटर आगे था कोणार्क टेम्पल. ठीक है बच्चों, चलिए बात करते हैं. तो बच्चों वहां पर जो फॉरेस्ट, देयर फॉरेस्ट आर डेंस फॉरेस्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज हेवी रेनफॉल देयर. Forest covering of the forest also depend upon the water, availability of water. In our Rajasthan, we observe thorny forest. जो फॉरेस्ट हैं उनके फॉरेस्ट में ट्रीज कैसे, थॉर्नी ट्रीज, बबूल है, खेजड़ी है, केर है, सच काइंड ऑफ दी हमारे ओपन शिया नागफनी जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, कैक्टस है. These kind of the thorny trees we observe in the desert regions. और वहां का वेजिटेशन को क्लाइमेट अलग है. Climate heavy because there is heavy rainfall. In our Rajasthan, scanty rainfall. So planted plants are well adapted to live to survive in the less water conditions. Look here. Forests provide habitat to many plants. Market underline. What are the importance of forest? Forests provide habitat. Habitat means रहने की जगह. Forests provide habitat to many plants and animals and work in our reservoir of wide varieties of the living and non-living objects. It is the reservoir. Reservoir जहां पर बहुत सारी चीजें रिजर्व रहती हैं. Reservoir of the wide variety of the living and non-living things. Coal, petroleum, forest playing a vital role in the maintenance of our environment. Forest play a vital role in our maintenance of environment. Release forests are known as lungs of the earth. Forests are known as lungs of the earth. Why? Because forests release oxygen and taken in carbon dioxide. Taken in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So these are also known as lungs of earth. Note करने. Forests are known as lungs of earth. Note down only this point. Why it is called? आप लोगों को याद हो गया है. Forests are called as lungs of the earth. They help in the purification of air and water. We also depend on forest for food, medicines, housing facilities. ये देखो, हम लोगों ने दरवाजे बनाए हुए हैं, timber, and from this timber come from the forest. Furniture come from the forest. Right? Nowadays, forests are being either replaced or removed by human beings to create space for increasing population. Population increase होती जा रही है, बच्चों increase होती है. तो for proper housing facilities, हम लोग कहाँ घुस रहे हैं? Forest में. We construct too big buildings, colonies. The natural और सिंपल सी बात है, 4 लेन रोड 6 लेन रोड कहां से होकर गुजरेगा तो हमारे फॉरेस्ट से होकर के ना. पता है बच्चों, केरला में जो हमारे यहाँ से जो वैसे ट्रेन के लिए रास्ता निकाला गया, तो एनिमल्स थोड़ी समझते हैं. they are not habitual of such kind of the train, such kind of the vehicles. बेचारे बहुत सारे एनिमल्स मारे जाते. एक बार क्या हुआ, करीब 10 साल पहले की बात है. ट्रेन के सामने हाथी आ गया. एक हाथी आया, एक हाथी आया पहले तो. एक हाथी को उसने ट्रेन ने क्रश करती हुई निकल गई. हाथी मारा गया. अब नेक्स्ट टाइम पर, अब नेक्स्ट डे ट्रेन का टाइम हुआ. अब जैसे ट्रेन का टाइम हुआ, उसी टाइम पर सेम ड्राइवर, सेम ट्रेन, वापस. अब बहुत सारे हाथी, बहुत सारे एलिफेंट बदला लेने के लिए ट्रेन से वापस आ गए. बहुत सारे जो हाथी एलिफेंट थे वो सबके सब बदला लेने के लिए आपको आ गए. और ट्रैक पर जैसे ही इतने सारे एलिफेंट्स को उसने देखा ड्राइवर घबरा गया. अब ड्राइवर ने क्या किया? अब ड्राइवर ने सोचा अगर ट्रेन रोकता हूं तो कुछ भी अटैक कर देंगे. तो उसने क्या किया, जितने भी एलिफेंट्स हैं सबको मारता चला गया. About 80 elephants were died in this incident. So फॉर दी ह्यूमन, हमने अपने फायदे के लिए कितने एनिमल्स का हम लोग कितने प्लांट्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. The natural vegetation of a region depends upon the climate, soil, temperature, and rainfall. Mark it, underline. On which factors the vegetation depends upon? Vegetation depends upon climate, soil, type of soil, sandy soil, loamy soil, clay soil, temperature and rainfall. Plants and animals found in the forest depend upon the climatic conditions of that region. For example, flora and fauna. Yes, what do you mean by flora and fauna? Flora. Yes, can anybody tell me? Flora.
Animal and plant.
Plant scientific name.
पेड़ और पौधे.
It is known as plants.
Give me answer in your chat box. Flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. What do you mean by flora? Yes, flora, chat box. Flora, chat box. Look here. Write down definition flora. Write down definition flora. The vegetation, the plants, vegetation, the vegetation that found at a particular place, that found at a place, particular place that found at a place, that found at a place, called is flora. The type of plants that found at a particular place known as flora. And now fauna. Animal life. Animal life that found at a particular place. That found at a particular place. Animal life, fauna. Plant life, flora. Got it? Flora and fauna. Now, forest in India. Bachcho, you have learned in social, I think, types of forest, deciduous forest, evergreen forest. Deciduous forest, the forest which shed their leaves at a particular season. At a particular season, autumn season especially. This is the right now. This is the autumn season running now. Right now, autumn season is running. So trees shed their leaves. Trees are shedding their leaves. The forest that shed their leaves during autumn season at a particular season known as deciduous forest. The trees which never शेडिंग तो सभी करते हैं, लेकिन शेडिंग होना, नई पत्तियां आना, एक साथ सारी पत्तियां नहीं गिरेंगी, इनमें शेडिंग होगी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे शेडिंग होती जाएंगी, नई पत्तियां आती जाएंगी, शेडिंग होती जाएंगी, नई पत्तियां आती जाएंगी, पूरा पेड़ जो है गंजा नहीं होगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि all leaves are shed at a time. So such kind of forest known as evergreen forest. Now look, forest of India. The forest of India are very important resource for rural people throughout the country, especially in the hill and mountain regions. People depend upon the forest for food, fuel, fodder, and also their role in establishing the soil and water sources. People depend upon forest for food, market online, for food, fruits gain करते ना वहां से collect करते, for food, fuel, fuel wood, fodder हमारे animals के लिए fodder, and also their role in establishing, forest having established role in the establishing of the soil, soil को बहा करके जाने से soil erosion को ये prevent करते, forest prevent soil erosion, forest prevent soil erosion. Yes, can anybody tell me what is soil erosion? Loss of,
Sir, when the top fertile layer of
Sir, the removal
soil
of
goes
top
off
fertile layer of
with the
soil
water.
by wind, water, or any other.
yes, the loss of fertile layer of the soil is called as soil erosion.
Soil erosion.
Has a diverse range of the forest because of the great variation in the climate, because great variation in the climate and geographical factors. So various kind of forest. India, since a large part of the country enjoy tropical climate. Which kind of climate? Tropical climate. गर्मी भी ज्यादा होती है, सर्दी भी ज्यादा होती है, ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट, और रेन भी ज्यादा होती है, so it is known as tropical climate. Tropical climate, so which kind of forest are there? Tropical forest,
Tropical forest.
right? So look, evergreen types of forest in India. Number one, evergreen forest. Evergreen forest with trees like the, which kind of trees? भुवनेश्वर अपने यहाँ तो बच्चों कम रहता है जैकफ्रूट. जैकफ्रूट क्या होता है? क्या कहते हैं उसको हम लोग अभी खाते हैं ना, सर्दी में आता है कटहल, जैकफ्रूट. इतने बड़े बड़े कटहल जो हैं वहां पर ऐसे ऐसे जो लटकते रहते पेड़ों पर, खरीदने की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं. वो तो हमसे कहता है सर आपको चाहिए ये दो ले जाओ सर कटहल, आपके लिए तो खाने के लिए काफी है. मैंने कहा इतना क्या करेंगे. तो जैकफ्रूट, जामुन, मैंगो are found along the western Ghat, Andaman Nicobar islands in the northeast. These trees grow tall to compete for sunlight. ये जो trees हैं लंबे होते जाते हैं, लंबे होते जाते हैं. Why? To compete with the, to gain sunlight. Sunlight को gain करने के लिए. The evergreen forest, market online, which kind of plants, which kind of trees are found in these forests? Jackfruit, mango, and jamun. Next one, deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are seen throughout the India. Trees are in these forests shed their leaves in autumn. Wood from the deciduous trees like the teak, rosewood, teak and rosewood used to making furniture, timber. Got it? Next one, delta region of the Ganga Brahmaputra. The delta region of the Ganga Brahmaputra, there is swampy region, swampy forest, swamp forest, daldal wale condition. Swamp forest or such kind of forest are also known as mangrove forest. Swamp forest or mangrove forest. Yaad aaya? 5th class. Which kind of trees, which kind of, due to which kind of the plants, trees, the Ganga region, Ganga Delta region is also known as Sundarban region. Yes. Which kind of trees are there? Can anybody tell me? Name the trees. Sundari. Which one? Sundari trees. Sundari, due to the excess, more abundance of these Sundari trees, the mangrove forest are also known as Sundarban. Or Sundarban, natural place of the Royal Bengal tiger. Natural place for the Royal Bengal tiger. In the mangrove forest, trees have soft roots to breathe in the water. इसके बारे में कल बात करूंगा.